Hello besties, how are you guys doing? So as you guys can see in the title, it's gonna be another Zara unboxing or Zara haul. So I have two packages from Zara that I received this, I would say 2 weeks ago, and I've been busy. I've been holding this for so long now, but today's the day. I'm finally filming and showing you guys what I got. So these all of these clothing is part of their spring collection. Zara always have the best spring collection. Like, I wanna buy everything. Like, they keep releasing new spring collection, like clothes. But anyways, so let's just start. I'm gonna start with this one right here. I already opened it, so it would be easier for me and fast. Okay, so the first thing in here is this dress, this like strawberry dress. Look how freaking cute this dress is. Look how cute. I'm also gonna put a picture here so you guys have like a reference, like what it looks like. But look how cute this dress. It's very springy vibes, and like it's just screams spring, and I cannot wait to wear dresses. I am the type of person, like, if I don't know what to wear, I ending up wearing dresses, and they're like really easy to like put on. So yeah, I got this one right here and I love it. It's like silky material, and all of the clothing that I will be showing to you guys is, I'm gonna put them on my description box below, like the link. So you know, if you guys are interested, you can easily shop. You can just like click the link on my description. So yeah, this is the first one, which is the strawberry dress, and in the side of this dress is a zipper. There you go. So it's like you just have to zip it up. So okay, let's move on with another one, which is another dress that I'm excited about. This is more longer than the first one. Is this dress right here. Like I said, I'm gonna put the picture here so you guys know the reference. Look how pretty is this dress. It's like flowers, like the print is flowers. The other one is strawberry and this is more flowers, and you can just like tie this, adjust it, and the same with the other one is zipper as well on the side. You can just like zip it up. So I'm just gonna, so all of my sizes are medium. Yeah, all of this is medium. I ordered this medium, and the dress is medium as well. The next one, I don't know what's up with me in dresses, but Zara just have like the most beautiful dresses. Okay, so this one is this reminds me of the shorts that I got from Zara. I forgot like the material of this, but I will put it on the screen somewhere. This is another dress. This is what they look like. It's like a crochet, not crochet, like I forgot, but I'm gonna put like the name of the material on the screen, and also like the model on the screen, so you guys can see what it looks like. So it's another long dress. I'm hoping that it's not gonna be see-through. I mean, it's fine if it's gonna be see-through, because I'm gonna wear this when it's, you know, nice and sunny outside, like a beach vibes. So yeah, this is what they look like, and also really long. I would say I am 5 foot and 1 inch, so for preference. So this on me, I would say, yeah, almost to my ankle. So it's really like long like dress, and the color is cream, I would say cream white of this dress. Yeah, okay, that's another. I got 3 dresses, and the other one in here is this top, and they don't have my size medium, so I ordered a large one, and I'm hoping that it's not too big for me, because it looks, oh god, it looks big. So this top has a short, but I didn't order the short because they don't have my size. The only size they have in online is extra small, which is I don't fit extra small. So I just got the top, so hopefully by when I go to Zara I can get the shorts that comes with it. But yeah, I love the print. Scream like spring. It's so freaking cute. It's so freaking cute. Okay, let's move on this one right here, and I also open it up so it's much easier for me to show you guys, and there's more dresses here, so yeah, don't even ask me why. But okay, first is this one right here, which is I'm really excited. Okay, so before I even show you, I'm gonna put the picture here because it's like literally crisscross. So yeah, this is what they look like. So hold on, you gotta cross this. Okay, don't worry, I'm gonna try to do a little try on haul so you guys know what it looks like on my body personally. So yeah, this is what the dress look like. It's long sleeve, but it's very flowy. The material is very, I would say thin, like silky thin, and it has like this little cute buttons, like a gold button up. So yeah, this is their Zara new collection at Zara, which is their spring one, which is I freaking love. I would say the last dress that I got in here. Okay, by the way, the dress that I showed you guys earlier came with like this little headband, like a little turban. So that's that. And then the last dress in here is the silky white dress. Like I said, I'm gonna put a picture here, or I'm gonna try them on so you guys know like the what it looks like on my body, or what it looks like on me. So this is another dress, white, and it has like a crisscross in the back. So I cannot wait to wear this dress as well. It looks super sexy in the back, and the length is above the knee as well, which is so freaking cute. Look how cute that is. Okay, so the next one we have this trouser, which is so freaking cute. It's black. They have different colors like cream white and green. I was gonna get the green one, but they don't have my size. This is, I ordered a size large on this one, so hopefully when I saw them, like if I go to the store I'll get the green one if this one looks good on me. But yeah, this is another like black, just a black trouser, like black pants. Really freaking cute. Okay, so the next one is their very famous jeans. This is the wide leg high-rise full-length jeans that every influencer on Instagram that I saw own this pair of pants. So I finally got it. They finally got my size, so hopefully this is not way, I'm already seeing that it's way too long for me, so I might just have to like cut them right there. So yeah, it is way too long. So this is literally short problems. Like every time I would buy a pants, like it would not fit on me, or it would fit too short, or it fit too long. Like there's literally like no in between. Like, okay, so let me just try them on so you guys can see what it looks like on me. So the jeans are way too long for me, so I have to cut them, but it fits really good. It's really good. They're just way too like long. Like look how long they are. Yeah, but it fits really good. I love the fit. So freaking cute. Love the fit. Yeah, it's good, but I just have to cut them. Okay, so it fits perfectly fine. I love this too. It goes with this green top from H&M. I got this from H&M, and it fits perfectly fine. Like it's a little bit, tad bit long, but it's okay. Okay, this is the white silky dress. How are we feeling? It's so freaking cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Wow. I am in love with this dress. I need this in black and other colors. Like, look how freaking cute this dress, and then you can pair it with like a gold jewelries, earrings, and like a black purse. This is so freaking cute. I love the length. I love how it's very silky. Good. It's really freaking good. Okay, so when I'm gonna be wearing this dress, I'm not gonna be wearing like a bra, because you can see the strap of my bra, but probably just gonna use like some tape. But look how gorgeous this dress is. Are you kidding me? This literally screams vacation. Like, take me to vacation. Like, I would say beach vacation. Like, how cute this dress. It's like a wrap around dress. This looks very expensive. Like, give me some martini, okay? Like, this is so freaking cute. This is so freaking cute. Like, what? Okay, I love the cut that it's like V. It's so freaking amazing. I just love it. Like, you're gonna hear me say I love everything because I love everything. The Zara dresses are immaculate. Like, chef kiss. Like, look at this dress. And then I'm gonna pair this like with a high heel or like heels. Oh my god. Like, in the back too. Okay, love this. Okay, so this is what they look like. It's a little bit see-through, so yeah, I can see like my bra and my underwear. It's a little see-through moment, but I do love it. It's very like lightweight. Like, it's not heavy at all. Like, I would say this is good for like beachy, like a beach dress, like I would say. But yeah, I love this. I love the material. It's very soft. But yeah, it's just a little bit see-through, which is, I'm fine with it because I'm planning to just wear this on the beach and have bikini, you know, under. And then yeah, I think that's it. So this is the last dress, and I'm gonna try the top. Okay, so this is what the top looks like. I freaking love it. I thought it's gonna be big, but it fits really good. You just have a little like space, but that's fine. But yeah, I think I might just get the shorts that comes with this one as well. Hopefully I can find in store like my size in store, or if not, I'll just order them again online. Hopefully they have my size online this time. But yeah, this is the top look like. It's so cute. Thank god this one fits good, because most of the time the Zara straps are like long and they don't have adjustable strap. So this one fits perfectly, so I don't have to keep going like this. So yeah, it's perfect. Okay besties, I hope you guys enjoyed a little try on moment. I'm sorry, like the camera is not too, you know, too good, but anyways, I'm gonna try to leave all the link of the clothing that I try on today on my description box below. Don't worry, I got you. And yes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you besties soon. Bye.